Are you grateful for life? Are you grateful for breath? Are you grateful for connection between people? Are you grateful for the feeling of love? Are you grateful for your health? Are you grateful for money and what it brings to people, for people who do good? Are you grateful for what's possible? Are you grateful for what has been, for the lessons you were taught? Are you grateful for all the opportunities that's still out there? Are you grateful for your courage? Are you grateful for your trust? Are you grateful for surrendering to what might come to you and allow it in your life? What are you grateful for? And I want you to be grateful for as long as you can. Start at 2 o'clock and be grateful for everything you see, for everything you hear, everything you experience, everything that touches you, everything that you understand. Hey, wow, this is amazing. Even just the orange on the table, just a napkin that allows you to, clean your mouth when you need to. There's so many things to be grateful for, and try to do that for 45 minutes and tell me in the comments how that has been and how it changes your vibration and how it changes how you perceive things in life and how it changes actually everything. All of a sudden you might feel, hey, in Dutch we have a saying, you make an elephant out of a mosquito. So it means perhaps the things, are not that heavy and you just focus on the negative. See what's there and appreciate it, and your life gets so much more beautiful. And you know what? The universe is grateful for a grateful heart. And when you're grateful, only good things can come to you. Only good things can come to you. If you like this video, give it a heart. If you want to share it with some friends and family, please do. I'm very grateful for you doing so. Please subscribe to my channel, because I am dedicated to get you very clear on your soul's calling and to support you, that you are able to live your life in personal freedom. I am dedicated to you becoming your true self. Why? Because I'm dedicated for myself to live my true self. And last but not least, click the bell sign, because if you do so, then you get notified every time a new video comes out. And the more you engage, the more other people are able to engage with this channel. That's it for now. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful and appreciative for all of you, for your likes, for your comments, for your concerns, anything. I'm very grateful for you, and that's my message for you today. Thank you so much. Bye. Talk to you very soon. Ciao, ciao.